Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today we are going to have discussion about English short sentences and we are likely to change them in Pashto. You people are requested to watch the video till the end and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. The first sentence we have is what return did I get? ما څه بیرته ترلاسه کړل. What return did I get? The second one, I will think over matter. زه به په دې اړه فکر وکړم. I will think over matter. The third one, try to handle yourself. هڅه وکړئ ځان سنبال کړئ. Try to handle yourself. The fourth one, don't disturb others. نور مه ځوروئ. Don't disturb others. The fifth one we have is do good and have good. ښه وکړئ ښه ولرئ. Do good and have good. The next sentence we have is Allah likes people having patience. Allah صبر کوونکي خوښوي. Allah likes people having patience. The next sentence, don't be nervous every time. هر وخت مه خفه کیږه. Don't be nervous every time. The next one, struggle hard for future. د آینده د پاره خواري وکړه. Struggle hard for future. The fourth one, the world has progress now. دنیا اوس پرمختګ کړی دی. The world has progress now. The last one, never give up. همت کله هم مه بایله. Never give up. The next sentence we are going to have is what do you want to buy? ته څه غواړې چې واخلې. What do you want to buy? The next one, do you agree with that? آیا تاسو د دې سره موافق یاست؟ Do you agree with that? The third one, work exceptionally hard. په غیر معمولی توګه سخت مهنت وکړه. Work exceptionally hard. The fourth one, delays are dangerous. د نن کار و سبا ته مه پرېږدئ. Delays are dangerous. The last one, truth is bitter. حقیقت ترخه وي. The next sentence, what time do you awake? تاسو څه وخت ویښ یاست. What time do you awake? The next one, it is very pleasant today. نن ورځ ډېره خوندوره ده. It is very pleasant today. The next one, thanks for your invitation. ستاسو د بلنې لپاره مننه. Thanks for your invitation. The fourth one, I am very familiar with him. زه له هغه سره ډېر پیژنم. I am very familiar with him. The last one, it was not my fault. دا زما ګناه نه وه. It was not my fault. The next sentence we have is get out of the way. د لارې نه لرې شه. Get out of the way. The second one, you are lying. ته دروغ وایې. You are lying. The third one, I am starving. د لوږې نه مړ کېږم. I am starving. The fourth one, I don't care. زه یې پروا نه لرم. I don't care. The last one, I am pretty sick. زه ډېر سخت مریض یم. I am pretty sick. The next one, who can do this work? څوک دغه کار کولی شي. Who can do this work? The second one, where are you going? ته چیرې روان یې. Where are you going? The next one, who will help him? د ده سره به څوک مدد وکړي. Who will help him? The fourth one, do you know him? څه ته دی پیژنې. Do you know him? The last one, who is reading books? څوک کتابونه لوستي. Who is reading books? Now here the first sentence is he is wiser than me. هغه له مانه زیات هوښیار ده. He is wiser than me. The second one, he will deceive you. دی به تا وغولوي یا به تا دوکه کړي. He will deceive you. The third one, don't believe on him. په ده باندې باور مه کوه. Don't believe on him. The fourth one, mind your own business. خپل کار سره کار ولره. Mind your own business. The last one, I am feeling tired today. زه نن ستړی ځان احساسوم. I am feeling tired today. The next sentence we are going to have is never talk to me. ما سره هیڅ کله هم خبرې مه کوه. Never talk to me. The next one, don't go anywhere. هیڅ چیرته هم مه ځه. Don't go anywhere. The third one, believe in yourself. په خپل ځان باور ولره. Believe in yourself. The fourth one, I will talk to you later. زه در سره بیا خبرې کوم. I will talk to you later. The last one, I am quite busy. زه ډیر بوخت یم. I am quite busy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.